Do you want vibrant, full colour designs that feel soft, professional and are built to last? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to apply Stahls UltraColour transfers step by step so you can get perfect results every time. UltraColour offers unlimited colour and incredible detail with a soft finish that feels like it's part of the garment. It's the lowest temperature heat transfer on the market that makes it perfect for all your heat sensitive fabrics that scorch. So start by setting your heat press to 120 degrees Celsius. Stahls heat transfers apply with a medium pressure, which is a reading of 4 to 6 on a Hotronics. So make sure you adjust your press before starting. Next, thread your garment onto the patterns by separating the layers. Working with a single layer ensures you get the most accurate pressure reading possible. Lay the garment flat and pre-press for 3 seconds to remove any moisture and wrinkles. Position the UltraColour transfer on the garment. The clear carrier makes it so much easier to align your design exactly where you want it, so take the time to get it perfect before you press. Add a cover sheet. Most fabrics standard release paper works fine. It's very unlikely at such a low temperature that you'll need a thicker sheet for protection, but if you do, try a Grip Flex rubber pad. Just remember you'll need to up your temperature by 5 to 10 degrees Celsius to account for the thicker barrier. Now press for 12 seconds at 120 degrees Celsius with a medium pressure. Once the timer's up, remove the garment from the press and allow it to cool down. Once your transfer is cold to touch, peel it in one swift motion. After peeling, you'll be left with a vibrant, detailed full colour print that looks fantastic. For the best results, wait 24 to 48 hours before washing. Turn the garment inside out and avoid tumble drying on a high heat. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and check out our other heat press tutorials. Thanks for watching.